August 24th, 2010. I can't stop shaking the camera and laughing.
This is meditation time.
So, Jinjo, you're a clown.
You want another one?
Just looking sideways. Oh my god.
You do want to play on the other end. What's up with that?
He's chilling. Leave him alone, man. That's his face. This picture looks hilarious.
Just me time.
Hi, Jinjo. I like the way you come out of your box. He just sits there. I would really like to know what goes through his mind. Hey, buddy.
Should tape all those boxes together along with a big, huge tunnel for them.
No, you'd love that, wouldn't you, Jinjin?
Now, do you like a box that has the end enclosed better, or the ones that are open on both ends?
He just likes his box. Ooh.
You don't see the end on that one, do you? You gonna keep them going there?
No. Oh, Jinjo. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. You good boy. And that's Jinjo, my cat in a box.